In primetime news this evening, gun bust. Over 20 guns seized at Queen's Warehouse in Kingston. More gang killings. Cops link most St. Catherine South murders to yet another gang. And fraudsters seeking to cash in on help to Guys Hill student.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the financial week. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and the forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, how have you been adjusting to the rising gas prices? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.